Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Musu. I am a lifestyle content creator. I live in Lagos, and today I will be taking you on a tour of a three-bedroom. It's kind of like 3.5 bedroom, and you'll see what I mean when I show you. Bedroom apartment here in Lagos in Victoria Island. So it's at a very central location close to everything. And also, I stayed there a few months ago, and at the time, um, I think it cost about 90,000 naira a night. It's a three-bedroom. Um, but I think right now it's even cheaper. I'm not sure. I'll put details in the description below. But anyways, yeah, watch till the end to see what the entire space looks like. I know you guys like the last one I did, that one bedroom apartment in Lekki, so I thought you would like this one too. And if you're looking for a place to stay for a short period of time, maybe a few days with friends, I think this could be a really good apartment. Also, you can have small gatherings of about, I think, 20 to 30 people in this space, because we actually used it for a little get together when I stayed there some months ago. So yeah, you can also use it for small parties, games nights, whatever it is, but there's a limit on number of people that can be there at any given time. So yeah, watch to the end. I hope you enjoyed this. Drop a comment. If you have a question, ask me and I will do my best to answer. Yeah, see you in my next vlog. Bye. Okay, so the first thing you see here is the doorway where you come in, and to the very right, there is the guest toilet. It's small, but it's suitable, very functional. There's also a really nice mirror and good lighting there. So yeah, there's that. And then I just came back out to properly show you guys the doorway, the walkway, what you see once you come in. And then to the further right of that is the kitchen. And the kitchen is really special. This was one of my favorite things about this space. There's the water dispenser, there's this big fridge freezer, two doors. So the freezer is on the left side. This is all freezer space, and then the right side we have the fridge. We didn't really use it for a lot on this day, so it was mostly empty. And then when you turn to the left, you have a lot of working space. You have there's a washing machine. We didn't get to use that. I'm not sure if it's a washer dryer, just a washer. And then here there's a sink. It's really deep, really nice. And there's also a lot of storage in this space. There's the microwave, there's more storage on top, there's also the oven, and then a lot more storage at the bottom. Here is the burner. It's the electric type, and just showing you guys more storage spaces. They also had some cutlery and basic things you need while you're there, for your day-to-day and all of that. Okay, so we're back here to the walkway, the entrance side, showing you guys what this looks like and how big it is. And then we're going into the living area, another really spacious part of the apartment. Yeah, this was kitchen we just saw now. And once you enter the living area, the first thing you see is the dining area, which is on the right side. There's the potted plants there. There's this really nice table with some painting on the wall. This can sit 6 people. So yeah, I just turned back to the door so you see it from this side of the living area. Yeah, it sits 6 people conveniently. And there's also this tall mirror here. See yourself on your way out or your way back in, whichever it is for you. And then now to the entire sitting area. It was a lot of greens and grays, which was really nice. Greens, grays, and blacks. That was like the color palette of the space. There's a large screen TV here. So much was on at the time. I'm not even sure which. And then this is the curtain area, all grayed out from ceiling to floor. And there's also this is what the seats look like. You have this long sitter and then the other smaller ones around. I would say it can conveniently sit like 8 people. Yeah, but then when you add the dining seats, that sits a lot more people. So yeah, this is the entire living area. Quite spacious, really, really nice and aesthetically pleasing, if you ask me. Yeah, the lighting also was really nice. And now we're going to the hallway where the bedrooms are, and this is the first thing you see. On the left there's the ironing board, just there, some more potted plants. And then we're going to check out the first bedroom. I believe that's the master bedroom. It's the one on the right. They have sockets there in the hallway too. So yeah, this is the master bedroom. It's the biggest of all three bedrooms, and here we see there's a lot of wardrobe space to keep your stuff. And then there's the king size bed with a really nice headboard. And the color palette is the same around the entire house, like the blacks, the grays, the greens, is what you see around the entire house, which is really nice. And then there's also a mirror here. There's a dressing area. There's the ottoman, and there's also a tiny table. There's also a large screen TV here. There's a console, and yeah, gray curtains to some art on the wall. A nice rug, center rug in the room. A sitting area, a reading corner, whichever it is for you. And yeah, this is what the room looks like from this angle. Yeah, just showing you guys all of it so you can take it in properly. Now to the bathroom. I also really liked this about all the rooms. I like the black and white tiling on the wall of the bathrooms. I really like that. And also I like how well lit the bathrooms where like you could use them to do your makeup, whatever. I really just liked it. And there's storage also under the sinks. There's a handheld shower. There's all of that. Just everything you really need. Everything is black, white, or gray. And yeah, that was quite nice. There's also that section to store like your amenities and all of that. And yeah, really nice spacious bathroom. The rugs on the floor too are black. And this is just a taking you guys through the entire room, one taking from a different angle, just so you get to see it well. And now this is room number 2, and this also has a TV, which was nice. It's smaller, definitely. The bed is also a bit smaller, but it has a lot of storage space. That's one thing I like about this second room, that even though it's smaller in size, it has a lot of storage space to keep your clothes, keep your stuff, whatever it is. I had already put things, this was my room, so I had put things out here already. And yeah, just showing you all the storage space in this room. Additional storage on the other side is like 2 double wardrobes, kind of. And then back to the room, and that's the bathroom on that far left side. There's also a painting on the wall here. Now to the bathroom. Once again, very similar to the bathroom we just looked at. Same color scheme, really nice, well lit, and yeah, conducive. Back to the hallway now. We're going into we have 2 more rooms to check out, so just me going around the hallway. We have 2 more rooms to check out, and this is so I'd mentioned that it was a 3.5 bedroom, so this is what makes up the 0.5. So there's like this study area and a very minute gym. So there's a workstation, there's a whole bookshelf, and then there's also a very tiny gym area. You could use this for to work out if you need to, or to work, whatever you need this space for. So that's what this extra room is. And now to the final bedroom. I would say it's maybe the smallest of the 3, but it's also sizable enough. But the wardrobe is a lot smaller. It's just like half of the one in the last room. The bed is the same size as the bed in the last room, so it's not really a tiny room, but I would say it's a tad smaller than the last room. And yeah, this is pretty much what this room looked like. And the bathroom, same thing around the whole house. Same tiles, same kind of toilet, same kind of mirrors, good lighting, all of that. And yeah, that's pretty much what this looked like. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this 3-bedroom apartment in Victoria Island. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments below and I will try my best to answer. I will drop all the details. And yeah, see you in my next vlog. Bye.